Hi there, friends. I'm Pip the Paintbrush, and I'll be your guide on this amazing animal adventure. Today, we're going to bring some wild animals to life. Just watch as I paint them in. Are you ready? Let's go.
A lion, the king of the jungle. An elephant, big and gentle. A monkey, swinging through the trees. A giraffe, with the longest neck. A zebra, with stripes so unique.
Wow! Look at all our amazing animal friends. The roaring lion, the gentle elephant, the tall giraffe, the playful monkey, and the striped zebra. What a fun adventure we've had today. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to KIDEMOS for more fun, learning, and exciting animal adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.